Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and today I'm in the fascinating beach of Praia da Rocha. I invite you to walk with me on the soft sand to enjoy all the beauty that this natural wonder, the Algarve, has to offer. Let's start the tour now. Please click like and write a comment under the video if you like it. Here you can hear the sound of the waves from the beautiful Atlantic crashing against the rocks, the birds and the fishermen along the shore. And in the distance, the Monkeek Mountains covered in lush vegetation. In the opposite direction, I see Portimao, the nearby city. A few steps away we find a beach full of seductive and peaceful corners. We can walk between some beach rock formations and take a glimpse of the Morro de São João, the Pesqueiro and Praia do Val. And if you turn around you will find the Marreta Beach to the north and a Limão to the south. I can feel the warm sun on my skin, enjoy the ocean breeze, and look at the olive trees swaying in the wind. You can feel the serenity in this place and forget everyday worries. We continue our journey and find ourselves in Praia dos Hermos rock formation, where we find a cable car leading to the top of the cliff. This is a great place to take panoramic pictures of the Praia da Roch, the wonderful views, and all the beauty of this fishing village. We finish our tour after the most spectacular sunsets. I hope this virtual experience is pleasant to you and you can feel the spirit of the Algarve. No matter where you are, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click like and leave your comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and itineraries about the Algarve. Don't forget, even if you are far away, here you have a piece of paradise. See you next time. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.